What comes to your mind when you think of Amsterdam? Perhaps the canals or the coffee shops, but how about a journey through time? In the heart of Europe, a city brimming with tales of the past beckons. Welcome to Amsterdam, the city of golden age canals and vibrant tulip fields. But there's more to it than meets the eye. This city is a living, breathing history book waiting to be read. Let's delve into its pages. Imagine walking down the cobblestone streets, catching a glimpse of the grandeur of the Rijksmuseum. This majestic edifice paints a vivid picture of the Dutch Golden Age, a period of unprecedented wealth and cultural blossoming. Within its hallowed halls, you'll find masterpieces by the likes of Rembrandt and Vermeer, each one a testament to the city's rich artistic heritage. Not too far away, tucked in the labyrinthine streets of the city, lies the Anne Frank House. More than just a museum, it's a poignant reminder of the city's resilience in the face of adversity. As you walk through its dimly lit corridors, you can almost hear the echoes of Anne's words, her hopes and dreams resonating through time. Amsterdam's history, however, isn't confined to its museums. It's etched into every canal house and every stone bridge. It's woven into the city's cultural fabric, from the bustling Albert-Heijn market to the solemn National Monument on Dam Square. It's in the air, in the water, in the very spirit of the city. This journey through time isn't merely a voyage into Amsterdam's past. It's a journey into the soul of the city, where every corner, every brick, and every canal tells a story. Stories of courage, of resilience, of a city that has stood the test of time. And so, our journey through time reveals the deep historical roots that have shaped this vibrant city. So the next time you think of Amsterdam, remember, it's not just about the canals or the coffee shops. It's about the echoes of the past that live on in its streets, shaping its present and future. Now let's venture beyond Amsterdam's well-known districts. As we meander through the city's cobblestone streets, we encounter neighborhoods less frequented by the casual tourist, each one a hidden gem quietly shimmering with its own unique charm. Take Jordaan, for instance, an artistic haven tucked away from the bustling city center. Once a working-class district, Jordaan has transformed into a vibrant neighborhood where creativity thrives. Here, narrow houses lean against each other for support, their facades a testament to a bygone era. As you stroll through its winding alleys, the melodies of street musicians and the scent of fresh pastries from local bakeries fill the air, painting a picture of Amsterdam's soul that's as vivid as it is enchanting. Then there's De Peep, a melting pot of cultures, brimming with an eclectic mix of cuisines, shops, and markets. A walk down its streets is like taking a mini world tour. The neighborhood is a testament to Amsterdam's multicultural spirit, where diverse cultures blend seamlessly, creating a vibrant tapestry of experiences. These lesser-explored neighborhoods of Amsterdam, like Jordaan and De Peep, offer more than just a change of scenery. They are the repositories of the city's life stories, told through the architecture, the local hangouts, and the people who call these neighborhoods home. Each neighborhood, with its unique charm and stories, adds to the city's diverse cultural tapestry. And they invite you, the traveler, to delve deeper, to look beyond the surface, and to truly experience Amsterdam's heart and soul. Ready for a deep dive into Amsterdam's thriving art scene? Our first stop is the Van Gogh Museum. Situated in Museum Square, this world-renowned museum is an ode to the life and works of Vincent van Gogh. As we navigate through the museum, we're transported into Van Gogh's world, tracing his artistic journey from his early sketches to his final masterpieces. The museum's collection, boasting over 200 paintings and 500 drawings, allows us to witness the evolution of his distinctive style, characterized by bold colors and emotive brushwork. Now let's exchange the quiet halls of the museum for the vibrant streets of NDSM Wharf. An old shipyard turned creative hub, NDSM Wharf is a canvas for street artists from around the world. As we stroll through the area, we're greeted by a kaleidoscope of murals, sculptures, and installations that transform the industrial landscape into an open-air gallery. Each piece of art tells a story, reflecting the diverse voices and perspectives that shape Amsterdam's contemporary art scene. But the city's artistic spirit doesn't end at the museum's doorstep or the boundaries of NDSM Wharf. It permeates every corner of Amsterdam, manifesting in innovative art spaces that challenge traditional notions of creativity. From the quirky art installations at Electric Ladyland to the immersive exhibitions at Mediamatic, Amsterdam's art spaces are a testament to the city's experimental and progressive ethos. They invite us to question, explore, and engage in a dialogue with art in ways that transcend the conventional gallery experience. As we delve into Amsterdam's art scene, we realize that art here is not just about aesthetics. It's a reflection of the city's history, its cultural diversity, and its constant quest for innovation. It's a dialogue between past and present, tradition and modernity, local and global influences. From museums to street corners, Amsterdam's artistic spirit is truly captivating. Hungry for more? Let's embark on a culinary journey. Amsterdam is a city that satisfies the appetites of food lovers from around the world. Its food scene is as diverse as its culture, offering a blend of flavors that is uniquely Dutch. From the humble stroopwafel to the culinary heights of Michelin-starred dining, Amsterdam's gastronomy is a smorgasbord of delights just waiting to be savored. Let's begin with the stroopwafel, a traditional Dutch treat. Imagine two thin waffles stuck together with a layer of sweet, sticky syrup. It's a simple indulgence that's become an iconic part of Dutch cuisine. You'll find them in local markets, warm and fresh, filling the air with an irresistible caramel scent. But Amsterdam's culinary scene isn't all about street food. It's also home to a handful of Michelin-starred restaurants that elevate Dutch cuisine to an art form. These establishments, helmed by world-class chefs, offer an unrivaled dining experience. They take traditional ingredients and transform them into innovative dishes that are as visually stunning as they are delicious. And it's not just about the food, it's about the experience. Whether you're sitting in a cozy canal-side cafe, a bustling market, or a sophisticated dining room, you're immersing yourself in the Dutch way of life. You're not just eating, you're living Amsterdam. With its diverse culinary offerings, Amsterdam is indeed a foodie's paradise. Now, let's explore the canals of Amsterdam, but not as you might expect. When you think of Amsterdam, canals are likely one of the first things that come to mind. But there's more to these waterways than meets the eye. The canals are not just scenic routes, but are a unique way of life, a beating heart of the city that pulses with every ripple of water. Let's delve into the charm of houseboat living. Imagine waking up to the gentle lapping of water against your home, stepping out to feed the ducks from your doorstep and watching the world go by from your floating abode. It's a lifestyle that is uniquely Amsterdam, where the line between life and water is beautifully blurred. Now, picture hidden gardens tucked away behind historic canal houses. These secret green oases, a cherished refuge from the bustling city, are like stepping into another world. They are a testament to the city's love for nature, a love that is reflected in the well-tended tulips and neatly trimmed hedges that grace these spaces. Canal-side life in Amsterdam is a symphony of sounds, sights, and experiences. It's the clink of coffee cups in a cozy canal-side cafe, the soft hum of a passing bicycle, the laughter of children feeding the swans. The canals of Amsterdam are not just waterways, but a way of life. Last but not least, let's explore Amsterdam's green side. This city is a haven for nature lovers with its lush parks like the Vondelpark, where locals and visitors alike find respite among the greenery, blooming flowers, and tranquil ponds. But the city's commitment to the environment doesn't stop at parks. Amsterdam is often dubbed as the bicycle capital of the world, and for good reason. Biking is more than just a mode of transportation here. It's a way of life. The city's bike-friendly infrastructure and the locals' love for cycling is a testament to their dedication to sustainable living. Speaking of sustainability, Amsterdam has taken remarkable initiatives to maintain its eco-friendly lifestyle. From adopting renewable energy sources to promoting recycling, the city is continually striving to reduce its carbon footprint. In Amsterdam, green living is not just a trend, but a way of life. As we conclude our journey through Amsterdam Unveiled, it's clear that Amsterdam is much more than its canals and coffee shops. We've navigated through its historical marvels, ventured into diverse neighborhoods, immersed ourselves in its vibrant art scene, savored delicious culinary delights, experienced canal-side life firsthand, and marveled at its steadfast commitment to sustainability. So next time you think of Amsterdam, remember the hidden gems and untold stories that make this city truly enchanting.